In this video, we'll go through the process of unlinking an asset tracker or other device from a piece of equipment in the Ford Fleet Marketplace. Start by logging into Ford Fleet Marketplace. From the landing page, click on Equipment on the left side navigation bar. From the Equipment page, click on the piece of equipment you want to unlink. In the Details modal, locate the Linked Assets section. Choose the item you no longer want linked to this equipment and click the red Unlink button. In the Unlink Equipment modal which appears, confirm this is the asset you no longer want linked and click the Unlink button. A message banner will appear confirming the asset is no longer linked to this piece of equipment. If you have multiple assets linked to a piece of equipment, you will need to complete the previous unlinking steps for each asset.